today is a Chick-fil-A. $7 going 3.5 miles.
Our sticker printer isn't working.
Thank you. Just got my next order lined up right after this. It is a Starbucks. $8 and some change going about 5.5 miles. Amanda. Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Okay, this one might be a mistake, but I think I'm gonna take it. It is a Voodoo Donut, $18.50 going 12 miles. If I don't get another order by the time I get there, I guess I'll just take it. I'm really glad I said that because I just got a McDonald's order, $8 going about 1.5 miles. We're doing that one instead. Now I just have to find a spot to turn around because I was in the wrong lane for this.
Good morning. See you warm. Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Next order's up. Looks like Sherry's and Voodoo Donut. $8 going 4 miles. Going to the same house. Wait a minute. All they're getting from Sherry's is bacon.
This person parked really bad.
Thank you.
Sarah is a side of bacon. That is a $13 side of bacon. There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. I didn't catch that.
Thank you. I don't know if you could hear her, but she said it was $13 for these 2 things of bacon, which in total probably have around 10 pieces.
Thank you.
You are?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Next order just came in. This is Voodoo Donut, $9 and some change, going about 5 miles.
Thank you. You're already back so soon.
Right?
Have a good one.
You too. Next order up is for IHOP, $8.25 going 5.5 miles. Never mind on that. We just got a Starbucks, $9 and some change going about 4 miles. Let's go ahead and do that one instead.
You pick it up there. Be right down here on the end for you. Listening. She's right here.
Thank you.
Head to your pickup at Muchas Gracias.
$10 going about 4 miles.
Hey.
Hello. Thank you.
Have a good day, okay?
You too.
Thanks.
Bro, how the Gotcha. Next order just came in. This is a Jack in the Box, $9 going 4 miles. One of these days, my car is just not going to be there when I come back. Next order up is an IHOP, $13.50 going 8.5 miles. Mileage is kind of high. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Total ended up being $14.75 for that one. Very good. Next up, I've got a stack for Don Pedro. This is $18.50 going 7.5 miles. Luis.
And Luis.
Gotcha.
And Nick.
Yes. I think I've only been to that restaurant maybe once in the past, so I wasn't sure how quick that would be, but everything was pretty much ready. Next order up is a Sherry's, $11 going about 6 miles.
Hi there.
Bit of a wait at the restaurant there, but that's all right. This order is still pretty good. Next order just came in. This is a Chick-fil-A, $9 and some change, going 5.5 miles. I was ready on time. That does not happen very often. Next order up after this is Muchas Gracias, $13 going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Good, you? There's that. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. Well, things have slowed down drastically since that last order, which can only mean everyone's been fed, which means my job here is done. Current time is 11:40. Current total is 124, and I have like 4 Uber tips yet to come in, so I have no idea what the total for today is going to be. That is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.